What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an account email notifications on Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website or Stripe. Simply give it a click to this website and after clicking you will be redirected to the landing page of Stripe. So now if you are new to Stripe, on the right side at the top you will see the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password, but if you already have a Stripe account you will see the option of dashboard. Simply click on the dashboard. After coming to the dashboard, on the right side at the top, you can see this bell icon, which is the notifications icon. Click on this, and after clicking on this, you will see the option of view preferences on the right side. Click on it, and after opening the preferences, here are the communication preferences. This shows all of your notifications, like if you want to turn on the payment reviews notifications or not. So if I turn on, I will receive the payment reviews notifications, and then it says you that you have turned on for the notification, but you want the notification through which software, like through email, through SMS, through mobile push, or through every software. You can just select it, and then if you want everything from the email notifications, just make sure that you have turned on this toggle and then you have selected email for the notifications to come from email. You can set the payment rules, you can set the payout preferences and then the connected accounts. Then in the general section, you can also turn on some preferences. Then in the balances section, under the balances section, here are the preferences that you can turn on and off. And here are the API alerts and actions. Here are the product updates, and this is how you can set up your account email notifications on Stripe. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.